My name is Bertholiny, Jean-Francois Jr. I love music with a passion. You know, I'm a loyal person, and I'm also a humble person. And I just love music to a point where it starts to show. My emotions, the way I act. The kind of music that I would like, I don't really have a favorite music. As long as the music has a character, meaning like a music can be happy, sad, exotic, fun, party, but those are all characters. As long as the music brings it, then I'm gonna love it, even if it's sad, but at least it has a character. I was taught by my dad. My dad taught me how to play music. Yeah, but when I was a child in Haiti, you know, as the Haitian mentality, you know, which is good, but it could be bad. But you know, most parents want, you know, they want their children to be successful, but the only way they want you to be successful is to be a doctor, a lawyer, engineer. But when I was little, music was the only thing that stuck in my mind. And I knew one day that's what I'm gonna be doing. And even if I'm not a musician, but I know I'm gonna be involved around people that love music. And that's why I'm here today. I just love music.